Hi, in this video, I show you how simply replace your mirror insert and turn hazard light repeaters in your Audi Q5 for a 5 and similar pair of brand new turn lights with running lights. Mirrors have different magnification. To disassemble mirror insert, pull upper left corner towards to you and down at same time with tension. Disconnect mirror heating and chromatic fading wires to release the insert. To disassemble covers, use T10 screwdriver or a line key to unscrew. Remove inner cover. Unscrew remaining screws and keep an eye on outer's cover clips, release them. Unscrew turn indicator, detach to clips and disconnect control switch. Install new indicator and use hazard lights to test it. Collect in opposite direction and do the same with other side mirror. Leave the comment if you like this video. Hit like button and have fun.